began to get help from other people. And one of these was Orion Decatur, who was a very Nordic fellow. Probably could have been with a Hitler Youth group. Very tall, very funny, one of my former illustration students. And he developed a character called Larry Wargo out of one of my drawings. So I started the foundation of that, and he did a little planning, and then I finished the sculpture and painted it, slid it over his head, and he became this wannabe TV talk show host guy. The idea of this half puppet, half human thing that was good at interviewing creative people, artists, puppet makers, writers, whatever, creative people in northeastern Pennsylvania. Weird tensions between the guests and this puppet thing, and the head looks like Rodney Dangerfield and Stalin combined, and he towers over 7 feet while wearing the thing, which is nice. Many of the puppets are tiny, which is an interesting contrast. And just did it beautifully. He kind of adopted the Robin Leach voice from the TV show what was it called? Something Rich and Famous, Lives of the Rich and Famous.
Hello and welcome to Let's Get Cozy with Larry Wargo. I am your host, Larry Wargo. We'd like to thank you for joining us today. We have a wonderful, hopefully this is going to be the start of a wonderful series of shows called Larry Wargo's Showcase of the Arts. We have 3 marvelous guests today, all distinguished artists themselves. We have Mark Hutsky, Mark Schultz, and Rob Lettieri. Thank God it's not 3 Marks. Anyway, our first guest today is Rob Lettieri. Rob, I'd like to thank you very much for showing up today.
Thanks.